Alright, welcome all over to the channel guys, and today I just thought to talk about a trading method and a trading strategy that you can trade, and instead of talking a Bitcoin live market analysis today, right? And using this trading method, you could be able to trade without putting any hard effort and without knowing too much advanced analyzing stuff. You might be know a lot of stuff about trading, or you might be not, right? Even if you are a beginner, even if you are an advanced analyzing trader, just you can try this trading method and see how this trading method works and how it fits to you and how successful it is, right? So, and stay tuned with us until the end, and I'm giving you a top secret tips to trade with this strategy more effectively. Well, here is the strategy with 3 simple words: support, resistance, market reversals. Yeah, that's it, right? Support and resistance, market reversals. So now you might be thinking that yeah, we all know support and resistance. Yeah, they are all reversing points, right? But how? Well, the fact is, in which time market is reversing from the support and resistance line, in which area exactly market is reversing in the exact reversing point. So that's the point, right? Well, I will get into that point in a bit, but before that, let me give you a quick view about support and resistance. Those who don't know about what is this support and resistance lines. Well, here is the support and resistance. This is the market uptrend, right? This is an uptrend, right? You can see this uptrend reversed from this point, and this point we can call it a resistance line. So this is a resistance line. So you can see market reversed and bounced from this line couple of times, and this and again. And the next, a downtrend has been started. A market all the way goes down, and this downtrend reversed to the upside from this point. So we can call it a support line. So all the market reversing points are support or resistance line. So this market is a support line, resistance line, and this is a support line. So we can see that if market in a downtrend, the point that market reverse of a downtrend is a support line. Well, so what is the strategy? How we can use this? So you can see here I draw some support and resistance lines earlier, right? Here you can see this is our first support line. You can see the downtrend is started and all the way goes down, and market reversed from here, and we draw a support line over here, right? And after that, market comes up and in a bit comes down again to this area and reversed exactly in that area. So once market reached to these areas, we can get a glimpse and we can get some idea that the market could be reversed from this area. So just imagine that this is how the market is currently running, right? This is live market, right? You draw a support line from here, you draw a support line, and market running, right? Market running and touch the line and comes back. So so if you put a long trade from here, you can get the trade, right? Just like that. You can find everywhere such a market reversals, even here, right? For example, in here, the market uptrend reversed from here and comes back and again reached to that area and touched and exactly reversed from this area. We can keep an eye on here, and once market reached again, we can put the short on here if you are trading, right? Just like that. Another example, uptrend reversed from here, we draw a resistance line from here, and again once market reached to that area, the market reversed. In here, a support line comes up and comes back to that line again and reversed. You can long from here. If you catch the line, you can catch a trade, right? In here, market reversed and we draw a resistance line, and again exactly market reversed in the area, in that reversing point, right? Even here, this is our support line. Look at the downtrend. This is a market crash, and that crash ended up being that our exact support line and reversed for a couple of short time. So here's another example of this is Cardano, and we can see the current market situation. Look at the current market, exactly reversed in our area, in our resistance line. And today another one. yesterday. This is our support line. The market bounced couple of times, like 2 times, and again market reversed to the downside and pulls back up exactly in our point. Even here, reversed to the downside. This is our support line. We draw a support line from here and market reversed. And even here, this is our, if you can put our long, market is all the way go up. Here's another example with another pair. Polkadot one, market reversed yesterday. So each day you would get at least one setup for trading. And these are the rules for trading for this method, right? I'm using this trading method for only day trading, like intraday trading and scalping only. And I'm using 5 minutes for this, right? 5 minutes for this. And here's another important rule. Don't use support and resistance more than 2 days old, right? Don't use too much old support and resistance. Use very new recent support and resistance, just like that. This is 31st June, and the next day market reverse in the same area, right? Just like that. Do not use too much old support and resistance. So those are just the small rules. Here's one more thing. Here's a tip. This trading method works 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. in New York time more effectively and more accurate. So for example, just like that. Here is the New York time, and New York time 36 p.m. and to 9:30 p.m. And you can see this is our support line, and exactly market reversed in exact area and market reversed to the upside. So you can use this trading method for short-term trades like scalping or day trading, like couple of hours market reversals. And here also, and you can see, and this is the between 6:30 p.m. and the 9:30 p.m. You can see the market reversal exact in the previous hour reverse point, and this is the exact support and resistance line. So there's a high accuracy between 6:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. in New York time. So just try this trading method and practice a little bit, right? You will get so much market setups each day. Today we just talk about only couple of few pairs, but there are so many pairs out there you can trade in cryptocurrency, like I think more than 500. At least you could get more than 1 or 2 trading setups with any currency pair. Alright, subscribe to the channel guys, and comment below if you get any trading setup with this trading method and if you succeeded with it, and as well comment below your doubts and questions too. Stay tuned with us for daily live Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market analysis setups. See you guys again.